Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of two bays. The main bay is ArrowWizard 480 Orb, and I already have this one, but I got it for parts for the Hexa and Solar Phoenix. But yeah, let's open this one first. This one's just for parts. Ooh, really happy to get this Phoenix Bay. I love this color. Okay. Oh shit. Hexa. And shit. There we go.
Carry that wouldn't weigh us down too much, or figure out what I'm doing wrong, or not having much of anything else added to the array.
Hexa.
Dreams of flying.
Now let's get into this day.
Dancing in her brain. As much as she liked most of the people on the team, she and June hadn't got along before. June was released from the mental blocks, and they didn't get along now. They were cordial and respectful to one another, but not friends. Then again, June.
And there we go. Oh shit. There we go.
The only one who was wondering why. In some classes she was just going through the motions and barely keeping her grades up like language arts and world history. But in physics and mathematics she was pushing ahead of even the AP courses. Indeed, she had grabbed several college-level books on engineering. She had been
Oh shit.
every night with Harry about computer science.
There's the 480
that he had studied in his old dimension
an orb. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and goodbye.